I'm super excited to meet you at my channel, my friend. My name is Leonard Manzi, and today I'm going to tell you the truth about affiliate marketing and why you might fail to do affiliate marketing. Before I give you the details, my friend, let me just remind you that my channel is all about making money. I create videos that show people how to make money leveraging the power of the internet, including affiliate marketing. If you are looking for a way to use the internet to make money, then my friend, you are the correct person and you are watching the correct channel at the correct time. So click that subscribe button and that notification bell so that you don't miss any broadcast from this channel. Right. Without wasting your time, my friend, let's just jump into the discussion of the truth about affiliate marketing and why you might fail as an affiliate marketer. Right? So what is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is just marketing or promoting other people's products or services. Right? You know someone who is providing a certain service or a certain product, and you link them with the buyer of the service or the product, then you get a commission in the process. That's affiliate marketing, right? So this is the best model of doing business online, my friend, because you are not creating your own product. There is no tech support for you. There is no customer service. There is no drop shipping. There is no warehousing of anything. Is the best model of making money online as a beginner. All right, you might divert into other things later on, but the best entry into making money online is affiliate marketing. And here on my board, I've got the truth about affiliate marketing and why you might fail to do affiliate marketing. So the number one reason why people fail in affiliate marketing is because the market is awash with all sorts of shiny objects. So as a beginner or someone who is not rooted in what they're doing, it's very easy to be caught up in the shiny object syndrome. The shiny object syndrome is a disease that affects many. And it's because when people are beginning to do affiliate marketing or they're trying to make some money using the internet, they don't know exactly what they want to do. They don't know exactly which direction to take. Or what they have at the back of their minds is that I want to make money and I'm going to make money like the video I saw, like so-and-so who is already making it. So there is no focus on one thing. And also they don't know what sort of best business model to follow. They don't know what sort of traffic method to follow, whether they want to do paid traffic or free traffic for whatever they are doing, right? As a result, they'll be just shooting in every direction and they're shooting in the dark. They don't know where they go. They might shoot something, they might get a small commission here and there, yes, but there is no system in place that they can follow. There is nothing, there is no predictable results that they can expect. It's because of the shiny object syndrome affecting them. Right? I can tell you that this, right? So I'll jump from one program to another, not having a strategy of doing affiliate marketing. So as a result, I lost money. When I tried to do paid traffic, I was just told that you go to there, this is where you get your traffic, this is where you go. I didn't know anything about autoresponder. I didn't know anything about opt-in pages or landing pages. I didn't know anything like that. So I had my fingers bent heavily. And also, I didn't want to hear anyone telling me about video recording or putting my face on YouTube, right? So I paid heavily for that. Okay. My second reason why people or you might fail is that maybe you are just driven by zeal and not wisdom. Just having some pieces of the jigsaw and missing some, right? you know that yes, money can be made on internet, but you don't know the step-by-step instructions that can take you to the dollar. And sometimes it's pride. Sometimes we say, oh yeah, I know quite a lot in my life. I've done this and that, I've done that. I've done computer science, I've done this, I've done IT, I've done all sorts of things in my life. Therefore, this online thing, I'm going to crack it straight away. When you do that, you can fail. You'll be frustrated. I can tell you because I'm the #1 example myself. You know that people are so proud. They get a new gadget and they say, don't worry about the manual. I'll crack it on my own. People fail in affiliate marketing because they are not building their digital assets. What are digital assets? An email list is a digital asset. And the reason why people don't build digital assets, it might be just ignorance that you don't need an email list, or you don't need to build a blog, or you don't need an autoresponder, or you don't need a YouTube channel. This is exactly my story. I didn't see the need of an email list. I was relying on the autoresponder of the provider of the product, saying they will do the follow-up emails from there. And then, oh, what I'm interested in is to see the commission coming to me. I didn't know that the money is in the email list. It didn't make any sense to me that the money is in the email list. Okay. And also to try and think that you have to pay a certain amount for the autoresponder every month. I didn't want to hear that. Email list, autoresponder, blog or hub, a decent social media following, though you don't own those people. If you've got some followers, some subscribers on YouTube, those people don't belong to you, right? But if you manage to get them on your email list, that would be the best. Because the following day, if you are relying on YouTube or on Facebook, you know that these social media platforms, they can just change their algorithms overnight. And the whole thing can go upside down for you. All right. So, but if you've got an email list where you have the name and the email address of someone who has come in contact with you, then you can use that list in the future. If it doesn't matter what happens to YouTube, it doesn't matter what happens to Facebook or to Twitter or to Instagram or to TikTok, it's your asset. This is not all what you can have as digital assets. There are more. The truth about affiliate marketing and why you might fail is that there is no learning, there is no acquiring of new skills. You depend on someone else to build your funnels. That is your opt-in page or your landing page or your squeeze page and also your bridge page, right? Yes, we leave the sales page for the provider of the product, but as far as the opt-in page or the squeeze page or the landing page and the bridge page pages are concerned, that's our business. So it's imperative for every affiliate marketer to know something about funnel building and also recording your own videos, to know how to record your own videos, edit them, and upload them on YouTube. Keyword research. These are all skills that every affiliate marketer should know and should acquire some skills about. And that we should not depend on anyone else or someone else. We should stand up to be independent entrepreneurs. This is the biggest of them all. Affiliate marketers are failing like I was failing. I was failing in affiliate marketing because I didn't have a proven mentor. The people whom I thought were my mentors were not really mentors, the gurus, right? The gurus were just interested in having me on in their email list so that they could monetize, so that they could milk me each time they pitched a new product to their email list. All right. So they were not interested in me learning about funnel building, about autoresponders, about split testing, about tracking my links, they didn't care about that. They were pleased to have me on their list, and that's it. Okay, having a mentor now, that's where you can learn. Finally, after a long time of failing, I found a mentor who told me that it was important to have my own autoresponder. It was important for me to know how to do my own funnels. It was important for me to know how to track my own things on internet. That if I've got my campaigns on Facebook, I can know exactly that the traffic or the sale, this sale, it came from Instagram, it came from Facebook, it came from one of the solo ads that I have got, it came from YouTube, or it came from anywhere. That is important information that an affiliate marketer should have from their mentor. So if your mentor is not showing you that you need to be a standalone entrepreneur. You are supposed to stand on your own as an independent business person, then that mentor is not a good mentor. A good mentor is supposed to allow you to be independent so that you can succeed on your own, independent of them. The mentor has got the experience that we are looking for. The mentor has got the lifestyle that we are aspiring for, got the results that we are looking for. The mentor has already walked the walk. The mentor has got all the scars that we can avoid. The mentor has experienced the pain that we can avoid. That's the importance of a mentor. So this is the truth about affiliate marketing. I've been failing for a long time, just going in circles, but with a mentor now I've got confidence. Now I know that I am going in this direction and I know exactly what to do step by step. Look around for a mentor whom you trust. And if you want to jump with me, with my mentor, you can check the link in the description below, which says ipowertogetwealth.co. ipowertogetwealth.co. If you want to learn the A to Z of affiliate marketing from a proven mentor, check my #1 recommendation in the description below that says ipowertogetwealth.co. If you have found value in this video, let me know in the comments. Otherwise, we'll see each other in the next videos. See you later.